So a common question I get asked on a regular basis is how deep should the sub base be for a patio in a domestic situation? Some people believe that it should be 6 inches, 115 mil compacted sub base. But basically that would be incorrect, because the depth of your sub base depends on your dig. Your dig is what you're taking out. If your dig is soft and mushy, it needs to come out and you need to replace it with good MOT type 1 that needs to be compacted at levels. Cold day today. British weather never lets us down, does it? So 16 ton of stone, it's not enough. We need to add some more. We need to ensure we get to the right correct level. We don't want to be using copious amounts of sand and cement to make our levels up to lay our paving. We've got to do it in our stone, okay? It's the most effective way and the cheapest way of doing it. The other thing, of course, is when we're putting in our MOT, we need, as I've said before, it needs to be flat on the surface. You need to be within 10 or 15 mil, high or low, to ensure your MOT doesn't unbind. Yes, unbind, and it will unbind if it's in a wavy effect. Even if you have a fall on your MOT, okay, you still need to ensure that that surface is nice and flat. So, before we reintroduce the final MOT level, we'll loosen this up a little bit to ensure that the MOT binds together. We don't want it sitting on a flat surface. We need it to bind together, so it's all one integral unity. So, if you need any advice with your project, if you want to give me a ring or drop me an email, info@greentoplandscapes.co.uk. My number is 07795 595 994. If you want some advice, all right, it's not going to cost you a penny. Give us a call, drop us an email, and we can help you get your project over the line successfully. See you soon.